In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Jotform workflows, which can really streamline your document management process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless way to store form submissions directly in your Google Drive, so let's get started. First things first, head over to jotform.com and log in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, simply enter your information and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section of your Jotform account. This is where all your forms are organized. It might take a moment for your forms to load, especially if you have many of them, so be patient. Next, choose the form you wish to integrate with Google Drive. Click on the form you want to work with so it's highlighted. Now go into the form by clicking directly into it to open it up. You'll find yourself in the Form Builder interface. Here, shift your attention to the orange navigation bar at the top of the screen and click on Settings. In Settings, you'll see several tabs. What we're interested in is Integrations, so give that a click. The Integrations page is where you can connect your form to a variety of third-party applications, making your workflow much more efficient. In the Integrations search bar, type Google Drive. You should see Google Drive appear in the list of available integrations. At this point, click on it. To proceed, you'll need to authorize the connection between Jotform and your Google Drive account. A button prompting Authorize should appear, so go ahead and click on that. If you've previously set up Google integrations with Jotform, you might see your Google account already listed. Just select the one you want to use and click Add Action. If the account you want isn't listed, don't worry. Simply click on Add Another Account and follow the prompts to authorize a new Google account. After you've chosen your Google account, you'll need to decide on a Google Drive folder where your uploaded files and form submissions will reside. This could be a new folder or an existing one depending on your preference. Selecting the right folder is crucial, as this is where you'll find all the files Jotform uploads for you. With the integration fully set up, your last step is to publish your form. This makes the form live and allows submissions to start flowing directly into your designated Google Drive folder. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Jotform with Google Drive, ensuring that all your form submissions are automatically stored in an organized fashion. Thanks for watching and happy form building.